So the West Indies won the first test match to lead the two-test series against Bangladesh. And there is a saying in sport that we should not change a winning team. And with the naming of an unchanged 13 for the second test, it appears the sacrilege of playing Raymond Reefer at number 3 will continue. As bad as things are with West Indies cricket, we cannot continue to perpetuate this kind of vulgar assault on the sanctity of the number 3 position. Generally in test cricket, the best or the second best batsman in the team bats at number 3. Now conservatively, Raymond Reefer is about the 100th best batsman in the West Indies. This man should not even be pushing the water cart, much as to be batting at number 3. Reefer is a journeyman bowling all-rounder who averages 27 with the bat in first-class cricket. This is the kind of foolishness that is wrong with West Indies cricket. This man just happened to swing him bat at number 3 for Barbados. He make few runs, and all of a sudden, he's walking at number 3 for the West Indies. This cannot be. This cannot be. And this West Indies cricket club, this cannot be. It cannot be. It cannot be. It cannot be.